These powerful bills are quite strong enough to injure anything or anyone that dares to interfere with the birds. But now, as the pair sit together on their nest site, they're used to deliver the most tender of caresses. What follows may seem like dueling, but actually it is, once again, a kind of dancing. The sequence of movements is long and complicated. If both partners perform without mistakes and in harmony, then at last there comes the most intimate act of all. Mating in birds can be a very quick business, no more than a brief meeting of genital openings. So, pairs are formed and the union is consummated. For most birds, the pair will now stay together for several weeks, if not for several years. In the case of for the rest of their lives. And that, when you come to think of it, is very unusual. Insects don't stay together, frogs and toads don't, lizards and snakes don't. Why should birds? And the answer is there. No female bird can manage to fly around with an egg inside her, let alone several, for the days or weeks it needs to develop. As soon as she can, she lays it